Templated line items make it quicker and easier to build consistent quotes and invoices in Fergus. They extend the existing quote and invoice template builder, allowing you to save groups of line items and sections and reuse them whenever you need. You can apply these templated line items when creating quotes or invoices, save new templates directly from the editor, manage them from your quote or invoice settings page, and apply templates in Fergus Go while you're on site. Templated line items are especially useful if you're regularly creating quotes or invoices with the same structure, like standard service packages, common job layouts, repeating labor and material groupings, or customer-specific pricing templates. To apply a template, open up a quote or invoice from a job card or via Quick Actions. From there, select the template drop-down, choose the template you want to use, and click Apply Template. Your quote or invoice will automatically populate with the saved line items and sections. If you need to build or edit templates, clicking Edit Template will take you to the quote or invoice template settings page. You can also save a new template while editing a quote or invoice. Simply build your document, open the template drop-down, select Save New Template, give it a name, and save. Any changes made in settings will apply the next time the template is used. Templates save the structure of your line items, while pricing is calculated when the template is applied to the job. If your template includes items from your price book, Fergus will automatically use your pricing rules to ensure costs and sell prices remain accurate. Final pricing is based on the customer, tiered pricing, and your active price book. Any manual price changes apply only to that specific quote or invoice. Templated line items can also be used in Fergus Go. When quoting, a draft quote is created automatically and a template can be selected while editing. When invoicing, you can choose a template, search for templates, view totals before applying, and add, remove, or edit line items as needed. And that's how templated line items work in Fergus. If you need help getting started, reach out to our support team.